Hello guys, you tablet Pixus, right? 3G version, display 10-inch, this version 2GB RAM memory as 16GB Intel memory. Okay, look compactation. In compactation we have only adapter for charging, OTG cable and micro USB cable. Okay, good compactation for tablet. And now talk about device. Device made of metal, on the back side camera and LED, on this side without controls, right side power key and volume key. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. This CPU test results. We have MediaTek MT6518, this quad-core processor, CPU speed 1.3 GHz. Okay. Open Guitar San Andreas, the My game. Look how Guitar San Andreas work on the device. On the max graphic level. Now this medium graphic level. And Guitar San Andreas works good on the tablet. Without lags and glitches, we can play. Okay, close this game. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.